Go for it.
Cookies! Wake up! Wake up! Get up! Get up! Make cookies! Make cookies! Make cookies!
You want to do that thing where they jump up and kick them and they bounce back?
Cash, Mom said you have to make cookies.
No! You
Come on.
sleepyhead, you didn't even stay up longer than us when we woke up before you. Those stairs look gay. And then she looks gay.
Oh, true love.
Trevor, smells like crap. God. I know. What can we use to fix the smell? Febreze now offers in container. Can you smell? All right, camera. That's stupid. It leaves a fresh scent. It grabs the odors and blows them away. It's really good for fabrics, you know, like.
Don't spray too much, you know. Stuff may happen.